Nissan officially introduced an upgraded version of the Navara pickup truck in the Thai market. After more than 1 year, the new version of Nissan Navara continues to launch in this market with significant changes. Nissan Navara 2022 in Thailand still has 3 body configuration: single cab, king cab and double cab. In particular, this pickup model is also added a new black edition version. The Nissan Navara 2022 Black Edition has a sporty interior and exterior design. Accordingly, the car is equipped with black exterior details such as the grille, front bumper, rear view mirror cover, side door handles on the rear trunk and tire side panels. Besides that, there is a shark fin antenna on the roof, black decorative decals around the car and new 18-inch alloy wheels. While the cabin of the Black Edition is decorated with black tones, enhanced with black air vents, black door handles, black cup holders, black gear base, black door armrests and black door panels. In addition to the new Black Edition version, Nissan Navara 2022 in the Thai market is strongly upgraded in terms of safety equipment. Specifically, most versions of the King Cab and Double Cab configurations are equipped with the 360-degree Safety Shield Active Safety Technology Package. This technology package includes safety features such as early collision warning, emergency brake assist, lane departure warning, lane departure control, blind spot warning, blind spot collision prevention, detection obstacles when reversing, and the high beam lights automatically turn on or off. The two versions Pro 4X and Pro 2X with double cab configuration also have an 8-way power driver's seat, upholstered in high-quality Quoll module leather. This leather material does not accumulate heat, so it promises to bring more comfort to the driver on long journeys. The engine of the Nissan Navara 2022 in the Thai market has not changed. The car still uses a 4-cylinder 2.3-litre diesel engine with 2 different versions. The first is a single turbocharged version producing a maximum capacity of 163 horsepower at 3750 rpm and maximum torque of 403 Nm at 1500 to 2500 rpm. This version is combined with a 6-speed manual transmission. The twin-turbo version of the above engine produces a maximum capacity of 190 horsepower and maximum torque of 450 Nm. The version comes with a 7-speed automatic transmission. In the Thai market, the price of Nissan Navara 2022 ranges from 595,000 to 1,30,000 baht.